Hi everyone, welcome to my data visualization project on the rise of 4th generation K-pop. In this walkthrough, I'll be briefly talking about the context of the topic and guide you through the 5 visualizations I created using Flourish. These visualizations will be presented with subtopics: debut timeline, YouTube popularity, 2024 album sales, music show wins, and global Google search trends. K-pop has become a global phenomenon over the past few years, and 4th generation K-pop groups, those who debuted between 2018 to 2022, have played a huge part in that. These groups are not only talented, but they also stand out in terms of their digital presence, fanbase growth, and international impact. The first visualization is a calendar chart showing when all these 4th generation groups debuted from year 2018 to 2022. This gives us a clear timeline of how many new groups entered the industry each year. You can see some years had more debuts than others, showing how fast the industry is growing. This calendar can be filtered based on the group status, whether the group shown is currently active, on hiatus, or disbanded. Also, the range of colors indicates how many groups debuted on the same day, and you can also view the details by clicking the cells. Next, I use a bubble chart to compare the 20 most followed 4th generation groups on YouTube. This visualization shows each group's YouTube statistics, including their total YouTube followers, overall video content views and likes, recent views gained in the last 24 hours, and the total view counts and likes throughout all their official released music videos. These details can be viewed by hovering over the circles or bubbles. Also, the bubble size is based on their total YouTube followers, while the colors indicates the gender of the group. The third visual is a scatter plot showing the top 5 groups with the highest physical album sales in Circle Chart 2024 records. Circle Chart, or previously known as the Gaon Music Chart or the Gaon Chart, tabulates the relative weekly popularity of songs and albums in South Korea. The numbers here indicates each group's total physical album sales per month throughout the year 2024. By hovering over the groups, exact album quantities sold will be displayed. This graph can also be filtered by clicking a certain artist in the legend section. For the fourth visual, I use a radar chart to display the total wins for each K-pop group who had made a comeback or released their new album in 2024. There are 6 major music shows in South Korea: The Show, Show Champion, and Countdown, Music Bank, Show Music Core, and Inkigayo. This chart can be filtered by combining all data into one chart, as you can see here, or show each group's wins separately by clicking the separate button. Certain groups' data can also be hidden by clicking their names in the legend section. Lastly, I use a bar chart grace to show the most Googled 4th gen groups worldwide in 2024. This graph specifically presents the top 15 groups' popularity percentage per week from January to September. To view the graph on a certain week, you can click this pause or play button right here, or you can also drag this arrow on the timeline. And that concludes this data visualization walkthrough. Thank you for watching.